गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
geography, where metal measurement and spatial relationships are used, like measuring height and distances of mountains, buildings, towers in astronomy, and various other fields like physics, criminology, music, and etc. It is particularly determined by a few trigonometrical ratios and identities and formulas. Like these are the values of trigonometrical ratios like sin theta, cos theta, based upon the value of theta. And a few terms are angle of elevation and angle of depression. Angle of elevation is the angle formed when we see any object above our eye level, and angle of depression is entirely the opposite of it. We are using it since our childhood, like as a child sees a bird flying in the sky. So the angle formed is angle of elevation, and the angle when we see a marble lying on the floor, it is angle of depression. Monster is the way the images number line. Actually, both parts, left side of the left out to be negative, and if we go towards right side of interior line, then the output integers will be positive. Integers are a set of numbers which include all natural numbers, negative numbers, and zero. Integers are fundamental in mathematics and are used for various calculations and real life.
Good.
My project is math part. These are the three shapes. These use volume, consolidation, and
शॉर्ट में बता दी शॉर्ट हाँ जी बेटा आप सब कुछ हो
just like when we play football times and a particular number is 1/6 and
जबरदस्त तैयारी करके बच्चों ने हाँ 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 डॉक्टर साहब को दिखाने चाहिए ये मॉडल दिखाने
So these are all our mandala arts.
आप
हाँ जी सर। सब बच्चे की Master in Fine Arts
From Kurukshetra University campus.
Clay artists. हाँ जी।
MFA में नेट वगैरह भी है
हाँ जी।
नेट या PhD भी है
हाँ जी श्योर सर नेट पे PhD है। सर क्वालिफाइड हाँ जी।
है
श्योर।
मुझे चेक करके ना बता देना फिर विल कन्वे टू सर।
ये सब रिबन आर्ट्स और कुछ वही आर्ट है सर ये मिरर वर्क ना और ये स्प्रिंग आर्ट बनाई है इस बच्चे ने पार्ट ने नेल्स के साथ वेट करके देन बुनन से उसने STVM
बहुत सारा STVM बनाया
आपने बनाया
these two paintings made by students and these three paintings made by teacher डेमो क्लास में से ये पेंटिंग्स मैंने बनाई है स्टूडेंट्स हाँ जी सर ये सेल्फी बूथ स्टूडेंट्स ने बनाया था हमारे आर्ट का
एंड सर ये टेक्सचर भी है एक आप लगेगी फोटो ना सारी थोड़ी लगेगी
नेक्स्ट यू कर लेंगे
थैंक यू सर थैंक यू
आइए सर नेक्स्ट लास्ट एक्चुअली सीलिंग हैंगिंग लगे हुए थे ना हमने चेंज किया
क्या परसेंटेज है वीमेन एंड इन हरियाणा?
In Haryana, the women is actually the women have the 15% of
900 females from 1000 males.
हाँ
900 females from 1000 males.
अब बड़ा है जेंडर रेशो हरियाणा में।
936 का आपका मेरे ख्याल से
हाँ 936
बेटा प्लीज एक्सप्लेन
थाउजेंड।
कभी आदमियों में से होती थी
हाँ हो रहे हाँ जी बेटा। राजस्थान में कहाँ पे है?
खाटू टाउन सीकर।
Had you ever been to Hatwili?
बहुत अच्छे अच्छे गीत गाते हैं वीरेंद्र शर्मा, हरियाणा में भी गाते हैं। ओके हाँ नहीं मैं इंडियन इकोनॉमी में कौन से सेक्टर के रेशो बढ़ती है? किस टाइप की?
नहीं मैंने वो चेक मैंने अगले काम को
जी मैडम।
बोर्ड ना ऑलरेडी बोर्ड ना
The red lava like liquid is flowing from the volcano. Similarly, how the magma flows from the volcano. Actually, this is a very simple demonstration, but in real life, volcanoes eruption is very powerful and destructive. Yet the beneficial also because magma is created into fertile soil, and from it geothermal energy can be generated.
Okay मैम।
वर्किंग मॉडल
Yes, sir. Like dam located in Uttarakhand, India, and it stands over a height of 260 feet, and it was embankment dam.
थैंक यू।
Good morning, sir. This is Trajectometer, an old project I made in open source community, which got too popular that they sent me a notice to license it under a company standard studio. It is just an educational showcase project that tells us various physics values. All you need to do is connect to a Wi-Fi and automatically a UI will appear, which can show you readings like accelerometer, which tells us how far the object I have placed from its origin, or you can see where it was planted. You can see changes in graph. Next we have gyroscope, which can tell us how much I have rotated it. It is very helpful in GPS-like projects. And we have light intensity here. You can see the changes when I put my hand near it. Next we have ultrasonic sensor, which yells at object, detects the echo and tells how far an object is. You can see object being detected here. And I also got temperature reading working. Thank you. Can I have feedback circular? Thank you, sir.
very beautiful solar.
जल्दी गई पहले दिखाओ उसमें ये लाइट पड़ेगी
सोर्स दिखाओ
ये लो।
बिल्कुल
And if we cover it with something, the voltage will decrease.
वर्किंग बहुत बढ़िया यही देखना पहले ठीक है
Good morning.
हाँ जी बेटा हो जाएगा
So this is automatic retriever machine. This is especially made for fiber dye industries, where clothes after dyeing have to be kept out for drying. So this works for when by the arrival of surrender, it will be very tough for the workers to gather all the clothes quickly. So this mechanism has been developed, and it will be very expensive for the industries to dye all the clothes back. So
ठीक है बेटा ठीक है
This is very good for dyeing it industry. This is all.
अच्छा जी बताओ क्या है
Show the operation of this.
Mechanoid, it is a robot prototype and it works on voice commands. So when it says name Mechanoid, its iris will glow green, which shows that it is now active and ready to listen. Then it waits for the user's instruction.
Give the command to this robot. Speak up.
Motion control. Move forward.
So as it works on voice commands, so it reads a proper silence
ठीक है,
and sounds to get the instructions.
Quickly.
Food in the oven and you have to remember when to take it out. So you know how much time it takes to cook that food and you can set the time in this timer. If you press this button, that I set your timer and you can press it twice. Use the combination of
आप बताओ
Measuring moisture content in soil. Every LED turns green, that means there is enough amount of water in our soil and our plants will be healthy. And if it turns red, that means the soil is dry and our plants will suffer. And if it starts leaking, that means there is excess of water in the soil and our plants will grow. So this is used in agriculture, gardening and also in homes so that our plants will grow. Good morning, sir. This is a model of a mechatronic. It is used to lift up heavy objects and transport the things from one place to another.
आप बताओ
I show you the last 10 years. This is a prototype project. The project made a motor carrier. There we there we use one motor for effective movement and free in the one lady is in the
आप बताओ
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Lavish Prasad from class 8C. The robot was supposed to be like Palestine robot. The right itself. Now you might have noticed, but you can notice the right. The notice the right is a popular amusement ride that spins around in a circular motion.
याद
अभी ऑर्डर
Next one, sir.
ये भी है कोई एक मॉडल दिखाओ कोई अच्छा सा इनमें जो मैडम आप
एक ड्रोन make it functional.
हाँ हाँ ये दिखा दो
So please थोड़ा सा side.
ठीक है हाँ एरिया ज़्यादा होना चाहिए
हाँ जी सर.
ठीक है
honorable guests. Please give a big hand. Please put your hands together to welcome our honorable guests. Greetings to the august gathering present in the premises of SD Vidya Mandir, Hudda, on the occasion of Annual Day celebration. The school has been serving the society under the aegis of Sri SD Education Society since its inception in the year 1992. SD Vidya Mandir, Hudda is the synonym of success. Thousands of its alumni are serving in different sectors nationally and internationally, bringing name and fame to the school and family. I feel extremely delighted to announce that continuing the rich heritage of SD Vidya Mandir, Hudda, Dr. R.P. Saini ji, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Chaudhry Ranbir Singh University, Jean, is invited as the chief guest to grace the occasion. We are privileged to have the company of Mrs. R.P. Saini ji, honorable members of Sri SD Education Society, and other distinguished personalities, along with media officials, parents, and dear students. On behalf of SDVM family, I wholeheartedly welcome you all in today's grand show. Happiness held is the seed. Happiness shared is the flower. I request Sri Roshan Lal Mittal ji, patron Sri SD Education Society, to please welcome Dr. R.P. Saini ji, our worthy chief guest. I request Sri Anup Kumar ji, President Sri SD Education Society, to please welcome Dr. R.P. Saini ji, our esteemed chief guest. I request Sri Satish Chandra ji, Chairman SD Vidya Mandir, Hudda, to welcome our Reverend Chief Guest Dr. R.P. Saini ji. Now I request Sri Pavan Garg ji, Chairman SD, Sri Naresh Kumar Goyal ji, Secretary SD Education Society, to welcome Dr. R.P. Saini ji. Sri Vikas Kumar ji, Vice Chairman SD Vidya Mandir, Hudda, to please welcome Mrs. R.P. Saini ji. Mrs. R.P. Saini ji, please. Now I request Sri Tulsi Singla ji, Secretary SD Vidya Mandir, Hudda, to please welcome Dr. Saini. Now I request Sri Dinesh Kumar Goyal ji, President SDPG College, to please welcome Dr. Saini. I request Sri Pramod Kumar Bansal ji, President SD Senior Secondary School, to welcome Dr. R.P. Saini ji. Now I request Shri Vinod Kumar Gupta ji, Chairman, MASD Public School. Shri Umesh Kumar Agarwal ji, Chairman, EPIT SD India, to please welcome our guests. Now I request Shri Akash Garg ji, Chairman, SD Institute Medical Sciences. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. Where there is light, darkness cannot be. Where knowledge has come, ignorance must quit. I would request Dr. R.P. Saini ji, our esteemed chief guest, and all the dignitaries to please come forward for the auspicious ceremony of lighting the lamp. May its radiance touch each one of us, kindling in us the immortal flame of knowledge and understanding. Thank you, everyone. I would like to invite Shri Satish Chandra ji, Chairman, SD Vidya Mandir Hooda, to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed guest on this great day.
Good morning, everyone. Honorable Mrs. and Dr. R.P. Saini ji, Vice Chancellor of Chaudhary Ranveer Singh University, Shri Roshan Mittal ji, Patron, Shri SD Education Society, Shri Anup Kumar ji, President, SD Education Society, Shri Nilesh Kumar Goyal ji, Secretary, SD Education Society, and my colleagues from other institutions of Shri SD Education Society, media officials, parents, staff, and dear students. I would like to extend a very warm welcome to each one of you to this beautiful morning of the annual day celebrations. Today, we are honored to have among us Mrs. and Dr. R.P. Saini, Vice Chancellor, Chaudhary Ranveer Singh University, Jeend. Dr. Saini hails from the historic land of Kurukshetra, where he acquired his early education. He continued his academic journey by earning his PhD and from MDS University, Ajmer, and D.Lit from the University of Central America. We feel immense pleasure to announce that this precious gem has shone brightly from the galaxy of prestigious SD College, Panipat, run under the aegis of Shri SD Education Society. With more than 24 years of rich teaching and administrative experience, Dr. Saini has served the education community by publishing more than 58 research papers and serving in various capacities in different departments of Kurukshetra University. As a renowned writer, he has penned several books. Few of these are Human Rights, A Global Perspective, Secularism in India. For his exceptional service to the society, Dr. Saini has been honored with numerous prestigious awards, as APJ Abdul Kalam Education Excellence Award in 2018, Bharat Vidya Ratan Award and All India Folk Culture Award in 2019, and many more. Dear guests, today's occasion is truly special as it is a day where we reflect on our journey, celebrate our achievements, and look forward to an even brighter future. It makes us proud to see that our school is doing significant service to the society by educating the students in all spheres, and we are committed to meet your expectations in future too. As achievements of SDM Huda are a testament to the dedication of our staff, students, and the support of their parents. I assure you that with the same vision of attaining excellence in all fields, we will continue to forge ahead consistently and tirelessly. In the end, I wish all the very best to all the participants for today's program. I once again thank all the dignitaries for gracing the occasion by their presence and making this day a memorable one. It is a day of very proud to us that one of our associates who remained associate in our college for more than about 24 years, he is a Vice Chancellor today of the Ranveer Singh University, Jean. It is a very proud moment for us. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.